Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 9. Again, thank you guys so much for joining me for Cookmas, where I am giving you daily videos for the holiday season throughout the month of December. So for today's recipe, I thought to myself, it wouldn't be a Miss Shan's Cookmas if there wasn't a Sloppy Joe recipe thrown in the mix. So for today's quick and easy recipe, we're going to go ahead and make some stuffed Sloppy Joe sticks. So in this case, for our ingredients, we do of course have some manwich or Sloppy Joe mix. We've got some onions, some green bell peppers, some cheese, the ground beef, and some pizza dough. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and make breadstick style Sloppy Joe sticks, I guess you could call them. They are going to be delicious, guys, and quick and easy to make. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, you guys. Thank you so much. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new videos, especially during this Cookmas season. So let's go ahead and get started. So these are the stuffed sloppy joe sticks. As you can see, they turned out nice and golden brown due to that pizza dough. So that's a nice pizza crust on the outside. In the inside, we've got that wonderful sloppy joe flavor inside with all that cheese as well. So it pretty much tastes like a wonderful sloppy joe pizza, or still just a stuffed sloppy joe breadstick. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you love your sloppy joes. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I drop a new video, especially during Cookmas. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.